it looks like Bitcoin really wants to hold this support line. And it also looks like the bears really want to bring it down below it. So let's talk about that. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me today. So the crypto market as a whole just took a massive dump. As you can see, Bitcoin is now testing this support line for the third time. And there is a battle being fought on this line right here. And it is not clear who is going to be the winner yet. The bears or the bulls. Alright, and real quick before we get into this, if at any point you enjoy this video, please consider hitting the like, hitting subscribe, turning on notifications so you can always get alerted when I post these videos, and it really supports my channel. Thank you, I appreciate it. So this support line that we are hovering around right now is of extreme significance. The exact line is about 31,787. That we do not want to cross below. I'll give you my kind of medium-term opinions on this price action. I've thought it was possible that we go below 30k for a while. Now, it is proving to be strong support, but in my mind, I was kind of expecting right here that we would get a pump up to this 50k area and then get rejected and then possibly come down. It just seems like there needs to be another shakeout before we can genuinely continue a bullish trend of any kind. And we do still have this bear flag here that, if it were to play out, would give us an approximate target of about 15,500, 16,000, as well as the possibility of this disgusting head and shoulders that could be forming here if we were to break lower. Now, I know you've heard all these possible indicators 100 times, and you know, there's indicators pointing to the bear side, there's some indicators pointing to the bull side, which is why I think we're so undecided as of this moment. But I think there is still hope for some of the projects that are being utilized and realized on a mass scale to prosper still. Now, I know some people sold because they're quite confident that we're going to come lower before ultimately going higher. I know there's some people that are not selling because they are extremely confident that we are going to continue to the upside. And personally, I will tell you that I am not selling, but I am not necessarily confident in either direction. Now, here's what I will say. If we do end up breaking down below this level, and then we continue down and break into the 29,000 region, then we might have reason to be worried, because at that point we could be looking at a possible 33% dump, maybe even another 50% dump if we go all the way down to about 15k. So I would say if we break these support levels, then there would be reason to be worried in the short term. Now, if a break of these support lines happens, the coins that would be suffering the most would be the altcoins, specifically the meme coins. If you just look over at my watch list, Bitcoin is down 7.7% for the day, Ethereum's down 12, Link's down 12, but Dogecoin is down 23%. And so as people start to lose faith in the market as a whole, then the projects that essentially do nothing to progress the space are going to be the ones that suffer first, and are going to be the ones that suffer the most. Even Ethereum is looking pretty scary right now. I mean, we did bottom at the, we had a bit of support here over here. You can see the body of the candles. We're resting on the support line right around where we bottomed here. Possibly, you could say it's a double bottom if we get a bounce here, but I'd be watching Ethereum as well, especially if we were to drop down below this wick, which is about 17.35. Even if we drop lower than what we already dropped, I would be worried, but especially I would be worried if we go below this 17.35 region. Alright guys, well that pretty much does it for this video. You definitely want to be paying attention now. That doesn't mean be glued to your charts all day, just check it every once in a while, you know. Make sure that we haven't gone down below these crucial levels. Try not to make any decisions based on emotions. Try to make them based on logic. Try to think about every decision you make before you do it. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please consider hitting the like, hitting subscribe, and turning on my notifications. I really appreciate it. And I'll see you tomorrow for my next video. Bye.